How to access Launch with Revolut. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can access Launch with Revolut. Now unfortunately here I'm not being able to log in or sign into the account, so I'll just be guiding you on how you can do so. Now launch passes on Revolut are provided in partnership with Dragon Pass. Now as an Ultra customer you have unlimited launch access. Now you can purchase passes for companions, and each individual launch pass gives you a single entry to any of supported launches. Now however, launch passes can be purchased on the app. Now I don't have the app itself, but the app is just guiding you, so listen to it carefully. Launch pass, well, it can be purchased on the app and are only available to the Revolut Premium and Revolut Metal users. Now you'll have to get the Premium plan or the Metal plan in order to get the launch pass, and a single launch pass is, as I told you before, for valid for one visit for one person, and you can buy multiple launch passes for yourself and for your guest as well. So these are the ways you can access Launch with Revolut. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.